This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Welcome, folks. Tommy O'Brien. It's 9 a.m. Let's do 3 quick minutes on the market, see what's going on out here fundamentally. John Logan with his awesome segment, 9 before 9. That's going to be going on every morning from now on. Let's take a quick look at the VIX. So we're trading at about 15 overnight, coming off at about 16.28 for the high. We'll see where that shakes out as the markets are having a little bit of a struggle this morning. The Dow right now down 82, Dow futures, NASDAQ down about 11, crude oil down 26 cents, gold down $6, S&P futures down 6. You got silver down 16 cents. And, of course, we have news over the night. You had Theresa May talking about that they're going to have an election June 8th. She's trying to consolidate a little bit of power ahead of Brexit. You have Goldman missing on earnings, which is interesting. That's weighing on the market for sure. Pretty decent misses. You had revenue from fixed income trading. Pull this over. Revenue from fixed income trading of $1.69 billion, and that's falling short of an analyst's $2 billion estimate. So big numbers. That could weigh on the market today, and you're seeing some of it coming across in the market already. Jumping around to the Nadex platform, let's see where some of the binaries are shaping up. I always like taking a look at these sometimes before the market opens. So right here we have the dailies on the NASDAQ 100. You're looking at binary options expiring 7 hours, 13 minutes from now. Right now we're trading NASDAQ 100. 53.83, looking at the June contract. Just getting a feel for the type of premium priced in here. 20 points to the upside. Maybe you're looking for a risking 1 to make 3, risking 25 to make 75. Same thing, basically $20 to the downside. Risking 1 to make 3, risking 25 to make the 75. Jumping across to the weeklies, same exact index, trading at 53.83, and of course these are going to be more expensive. Talking about 54.10, risking 36 to make about 63. To the downside, 53.62, you're risking about 40 to make 60. And let's just jump back here, take a look at where we are on the Dow. And of course, we have our man, Mr. Larry Pesavento, coming up next for Trade What You See. And one more thing I want to cover, because in 2 days, time flies. Can't believe it's almost April 20th. Today is tax day. That's a reminder. Make sure you get your taxes in. But we have our man, Mr. Basil Chapman, at 11 o'clock today, the opening call, and he is coming up with a subscriber event on April 20th. That's a quick 3 minutes every day, 9 a.m. Larry Pesavento coming up next. Stay tuned, folks. Thanks so much.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.